Hello everyone, welcome to NewGen Education app. In this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you what and all can be done under the Learning Management System menu and how you can deliver any educational content using the Learning Management System. So let's get into the tutorial part. So under the Learning Management System, the first is the video lesson. So you can deliver your educational content using the video. Next up is study material. You can upload various study materials like any question paper or important content of the book, use case scenarios, and all that can be uploaded through the material. Next up is the notes. Here, staff can prepare notes before they go to the class, and student can take the notes during the classes. Next up is the lesson planner. Staff can plan their lessons before they take classes, and students can make self-study plan as well. Next up is the knowledge sharing blogs, where staff and students can share blogs among themselves for knowledge sharing and doubt clearing. So moving forward, now I'm going to cover the journey of the learning management system. So basically we have four different logins: admin, educator, parent, and student. So we'll look at the journey of each one by one. So first I'm going to cover the educators or the admin's journey. Educator or admin logs in. They can upload various video lessons. They can upload various study materials. Staff can make the preparatory notes. They can view the student notes as well. Staff can plan their lessons. They can view the students' self-study planners, and they can share the blogs. They can review the student blogs and comment on those blogs. These are the login credentials of an educator. Click on sign in to log into the application. This is an educator's login, and now we're going to see how you can deliver any educational content using the learning management system. So to do that, go to the menu, click on learning management system. So the first one is the video lesson. Click on video lesson. So here you can deliver any educational content through videos. So to do that, click on create video lesson button here. A pop-up screen appears wherein you need to fill all the necessary details. So now you need to enter the description about the lesson. So this lesson is about ratio and proportion, for example. Next, you need to select the group for whom the video lesson is applicable. So I'll go with all the students in your standard 6. Next, you can select the subject here and then click on continue. So now you can upload the video lesson wherein you have two different options. One is either you can upload the video lesson from your own device storage, or you can link any YouTube video. So first, click on upload from device video button. And now you can upload from your device storage. Either you can drag or drop the file here, or you can click the browse button to upload the particular video. So I'll go with click the browse button. So this is how you can upload video from your device. So next we're going to see how to link a YouTube video. Click on this video button. Here you need to just paste the video link of the YouTube, and then you can click here to check or verify the video. So once you're done, click on continue. Here you can give instruction to the parents of the student. So once you're done, click on continue. If you have notification subscription limit, then you can click on these particular checkbox so that notification related to the video lesson will be sent to the parents. Click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the creation, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. And then click on submit. And your video lesson has been created successfully. So once you're done with uploading your first video lesson, this is how the screen is going to look like. In order to upload various video lessons, you can just click on new at the right corner of the screen. Now, if you want to view the video lesson for the corresponding subject and the assignee group, you can just click on view video lessons button at the bottom so that you can view the video lessons applicable for the subject and the assignee group. If you want to perform various actions, click on quick actions icon here wherein you can view, edit or delete the particular record. For example, if you want to see this video in a full screen, then you can just click on this eye icon here wherein you can watch the video. And now the next step is the study material. Click on study materials wherein you can upload various materials. So study materials can be any learning materials like model question papers, any referral document, any use case scenarios, special notes or important content of the book. So to upload a study material, click on create study material button here. A pop-up screen appears wherein you need to fill all the necessary details. So first, enter the description about the material. And then select the Euro standard for which the study material is applicable. Select the subject. Enter the lesson number. If you want, you can enter the heading and subheading as well. And then click on continue. In order to upload a study material, you can either drag or drop the file here or you can click the browse button to upload the study material. So once your study material is uploaded, you can click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the creation, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. And then click on submit. And this is how your study material is uploaded successfully. So once you're done with uploading your study material, this is how the screen is going to look like. In order to upload various study materials, you can just click on new at the right corner of the screen. And if you want to view the study material for a particular Euro standard or the subject, click view material button under the record. And now you can view the particular study material uploaded, wherein you can see the lesson or unit number, the heading, the description, and the study material, which was last uploaded on this particular day. In order to view the particular study material in a large size, you can just click on the eye icon here, and the PDF or any file will be opened in another window wherein you can download or print the particular document. So the next step is the notes. So under the notes, first is staff notes. So here staff can make preparatory notes before they go to the class. So to do that, click on create staff notes button here. A pop-up screen appears wherein you need to fill all the necessary details. So first you need to select the teacher name who's going to upload the notes. And then you can select the date on which the notes are to be uploaded. And then you can select the subject. Select the Euro standard for which the notes are applicable. Click on continue. In order to add various notes, click on add notes button here. A pop-up screen appears wherein you need to enter the notes details. So enter the unit or lesson number, which is going to be 1. Then enter the heading. I'll enter matrices. If you want to enter, you can enter heading, subheading as well. So this is optional only. Next, you can upload any note content here. And there's one more option. If you want to upload any file, you can upload it here as notes. Okay, you can either drag or drop the files or you can click the browse button and upload any particular files for reference notes. So once everything is done, you can just click on submit. So this is how you can upload various notes by clicking on add notes button here. Once you're done, click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the creation, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. And then click on submit. And your staff note has been created successfully. So once you're done creating your first staff notes, this is how the screen is going to look like. If you want to create various staff notes, you can just click on new at the right corner of the screen. And if you want to view a particular note for a corresponding subject, year or standard, then click the View Notes button at the bottom of the record, wherein you can view the particular notes. You can see the date, you can see the created by the teacher name and the topics. You can just click on More Details button in order to view the note content, wherein you can see the note content and the attached file. So in order to perform various actions, you can just click on Quick Actions icon, wherein you can view, edit, delete, or copy the particular record. So under the notes, next up is the student notes. So click on student notes. So here you can find or search a student note by selecting the name of the student. For example, I'm searching the student note of Mercy. If you want, you can even select a particular subject and click on the search button here, wherein you can view the student note. Click on View Notes to view the note. And if you want to know more, you can just click on More Details, wherein you can see the note content of the particular student. How student can take notes is been explained further when I cover the student or the parent's turn. So moving further, next up is the lesson planner. So click on lesson planner and then click on staff. So here a teacher can plan their lessons before they go to the classroom so that they can handle the lesson smoothly. So to create a lesson plan, you just need to click on Create Lesson Planner button here. A pop-up screen appears wherein you need to fill all the necessary details. Select the name of the teacher. Select the date on which the lesson plan is to be. Click on Continue. So timetable details of that particular staff will appear automatically. You just need to click on Add Lesson button to add the lesson plan. Here you need to enter the unit or the lesson number. If you want, you can enter the heading, subheading as well. So once you're done, click on Submit. The same way you can add for every period also. And then click on Continue. If you have notification subscription limit, then you can click on these particular checkbox so that notification related to the lesson plan will be sent to the staff automatically. Click on Continue. If you want to enter any message about the creation, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. And then click on Submit. And your lesson plan has been created successfully. So once your lesson plan has been done, this is how the screen is going to look like. So for the particular teacher name, the month and year, you can view all the lesson plan by clicking on the View Lesson Plans button. So the red color indicates that the lesson plan has not yet been completed. It is 0% completed. So you can just click on it and you can either view, edit or delete the particular record. In order to view the lesson plan, what has been created, you can just click on View here and you can view the lesson plan. Now, for example, if you want to mark the completion, you can just go to the Mark Completion. You can toggle as completed once the lesson plan has been completed and click on Save Changes. And now you can see the plan which has been completed. So the status has changed from red to green. In order to add daily plan, you can just click on Add Daily Plan button here and you can fill all the necessary details. Otherwise, you can just click on the particular day and then you can add your lesson plans. So here we have month, week plan. So for this particular week, you can make plans, and for a particular day also, you can make. You can even click on New at the right corner of the screen to add daily plans. So the next up is the student lesson plan. So here you can view the lesson plan of a student. So to do that, just need to select the name of the student. If you want, you can even select the month and year. So I'll just go student name, click on search button. So here you'll find the lesson plan of a particular student. So in order to view the lesson plan of this student, you can just click on the view lesson plans, and for the corresponding month and year timetable, and on these particular dates you can see the lesson plan, the self-study plan, as well as the task assigned by the teacher. So here you can view the status. So since it is in green color, which means the plan has been completed successfully. If the status is in red color, then the plan is yet to be complete. The next up is the knowledge sharing blocks. Under the knowledge sharing blocks, we have two. So one is going to be the student blocks, where student can upload blogs, and the staff blocks, where staff can upload the blogs. So under the student blocks, here you can view the blogs uploaded by the student. This is the particular blog. If you want to reply or if you want to comment, you can comment it. Like they've asked, can you share your view? Want you can answer. Once you're done commenting, click on post. So your comment has been recorded successfully. It can be viewed by the student also. So in order to create various blogs for the students, you can click on new here. A pop-up screen appears wherein you can fill the necessary details. So enter the blog description, what the blog is about. You can even enter the assignee group. Now, if the blog is for a particular group or for all the students in the institute, you can enter it here. Continue. You can enter your blog content here and you can ask for their views. And then click on continue. If you want to upload any attachment, you can either drag or drop the files. Click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the creation, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. So once you're done, click on submit and your student blog has been created successfully. So now you can see the teacher who have created a student blog for the student. Next up is the staff blog. So I'll click on staff blogs. Here staff can upload various blogs for other staffs. So click on create staff blogs. A pop-up screen appears. Enter the blog description, enter the blog content. Click on continue. If you want to upload any attachment or any files, you can either drag or drop files here or click the browse button to upload any attachment. And then click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the creation, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. So once you're done, click on submit and your staff blog has been created successfully. So this particular staff blog will be viewed by the other staffs under the menu staff blog from their login. So based on that, they can even comment on the particular blog. So in order to perform various actions, you can click on quick actions icon here, wherein you can edit or delete the particular blog. In order to create various blogs, you can use the new button here. And now I'm going to cover the student or the parent's journey. Student or parent login. They can view the applicable video lessons. They can view the applicable study materials. They can take notes during the class and they can review it later. They can make self-study plans or they can even view the task assigned by the teachers and act upon it. Next, they can share or upload blogs and comment on other student blogs. So coming to the parent login, these are the login credentials of a parent. Click on sign in to log into the application. So now we're going to see what and all can be done under the learning management. So click on learning management system. So the first app is how student or parent can view the video lesson. So click on video lesson. So here parent or student can view the video lessons applicable for their ward, wherein they can see the subject, description and the video lesson. So you can just click on the view icon here so that it will open in the new window and you can watch the video from there. Next up is we're going to see how study materials can be viewed. So click on study materials from the menu and here parent or student can view the study materials which are applicable for them. Wherein they can see the subject, the material description, unit or lesson number, the heading. In order to view the particular study material, you can just click on the view icon here so that it will open in a new window wherein you can print or download the particular study material. And next up is notes. Here, student can take notes during the class about the lessons which will be taught by the teachers in the classroom. It will help students to prepare and structure their further learning activities. So in order to take notes, click on Create Notes button. A pop-up screen appears wherein select the name of the pick the date on which the notes are to be made. Select the subject name. Click on Continue. In order to add various notes, you can just click on Add Notes button here. Wherein a pop-up screen appears, you need to enter the notes details, the unit or lesson number. If you want, you can enter the heading, subheading as well. So I'll enter the heading. You can even enter the content here. If you want to attach any file related to the notes, you can attach it here. So you can either drag or drop the file. So you click the browse button to attach a file. So once you're done attaching a file, click on submit. So this is how you can take various notes by clicking on add notes button. Then click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the quiz, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. Click on submit. And your student notes has been created successfully. So once you have created your student note, this is how the screen is going to look like. In order to upload various student notes, you can click on new at the right corner of the screen. And in order to view the notes for the particular subject called mathematics, you can just click on the view notes button at the bottom and you can view the particular notes. You can see the date, the topic. In order to view the entire note content, you can click on more details button here, wherein you can see the entire note content, the attached file. In order to perform various actions, you can click on quick actions icon here, wherein you can view, edit, delete, or copy the particular record. So once the notes are done, next up is lesson or diary planner. Clicking on the lesson or diary planner, here you can either make self-study plan or you can view the task or homework assigned by the teacher. So first we'll just go how to make a self-study plan. So to do that, click on new at the right corner of the screen. A pop-up screen appears. Select the name of the student for which the plan is to be made. Select the date on which the plan is to be made. Click on continue. In order to make various plans, click on add plan button here, wherein you can enter the plan details. So you need to select the subject, enter the unit or lesson number. If you want, you can enter the heading, subheading. So I'll go with matrices and the subheading submatrix. If you want to write any instructions, you can enter it here. Then click on submit. In order to add various plans, you can just click on add plan button here and you can add various plans. So parents can also make plans for their kids. And then click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the creation, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. Click on submit. And your lesson plan or your self-study plan has been created successfully. So once this is done, in order to view the self-study plan made and the task assigned by the teacher, just need to click on view lesson plan button. So under this, for the particular date, you can see the task assigned by the teacher as well as your self lesson plan. In order to view this, you can just click on the view and you can view the plan details. This is the task assigned by the teacher. Complete the first exercise under the heading grammar pronouns. The same way, you can view your self lesson plan also by clicking on the view button. And you can perform various quick actions like view, edit, delete. And there's one more thing called mark completion. I'll show you that. So now this particular lesson is not yet completed. So it's indicating in red color. Red color means the lesson has not completed. Green color means that the lesson has been completed. So now if I've done with the self lesson plan, I'll just go to mark completion. I'll toggle the status as completed and click on save. I'll come back, refresh, I'll go again, and now you can see this is complete. So this is about lesson plan. And next we're going to see the knowledge sharing blogs, how student can post blogs So to do that, go to the menu, click on knowledge sharing blogs, and click on create knowledge sharing blogs. A pop-up screen appears. Just enter the blog description of what the blog is about. So it is blog on mattresses in life. Click on continue. You can enter the blog content. So a blog is related to how mattresses are used in real life. And I'm gonna ask the views of other students in this particular blog. And then click on continue. If there is any attachment, you can also upload it here. You can click on browse button or you can either drag or drop the files here. So once you have finished your attachment, click on continue. If you want to enter any message about the quiz, you can enter it here. This is completely optional. And then click on submit and your blog has been created successfully. So once your blog has been created, this is how it's going to look like. So teacher as well as other students can view these blogs and comment on it. In order to perform various actions, you can just click on quick actions icon here, wherein you can edit or delete this particular blog. And in order to post various blogs, you can just click on new button and you can post various blogs. If you want to reply to a particular blog, then you can just click on this and reply here and click on the post button. So yeah, we have come to an end. So this was all about learning management system and how you can deliver any educational content using the learning management system. Thank you.